Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Headspace. And as you can see on the screen right now, it's about meditation and sleep and stress relief, breathe and relax. So Headspace, it's your guide to mindfulness for your everyday life, and their catchword is get happy, stress less, and sleep soundly. And you can just see that on the screen right now. On the introduction part, it has 4.8 stars out of 5, and if you are above 4 years old, you can use this app, and it is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Android. And the developer is Headspace Inc. When I use this app, when I first used this app on the sleep section, sleep casts were for free. But right now, to reach this content here, you need to subscribe. And as a free user, you can just only listen to basic section right now. I'll just show you on app. And about pricing, actually you can just learn more about the pricing. I'll just tell you more about that. At first, about the pricing, Headspace offers 2 auto-renewing subscription options, and per month $9.99, and per year $49.99. You have to just pay that as for subscription. But these prices are for United States customers, and pricing in other countries may vary, and actual charges may be converted to your local currency depending on the country of residence. And subscription will automatically renew unless turned off in your iTunes account settings at least 24 hours before the current period ends. And you can go to your iTunes account settings to manage your subscription and turn off auto renew. And also, if you're using Android, you can go to the Play Store for changes. And the other thing is that what is Headspace, and what can you do with Headspace app? You can just, you can learn meditation and mindfulness skills from world-class experts, and you can choose from hundreds of guided meditations on everything from managing stress and anxiety to sleep, focus, and mind-body health. And also you can build your practice your way with meditations for every experience level and lifestyle, including short 3-minute sessions that fit seamlessly into a busy schedule. And from working from home meditations to concentration boosting music, the new focus feature is your one-stop shop for changing the way you get things done. And you can tune in to the moment with a special selection of focus music and artists from Headspace Chief Music Officer John Legend, or you can choose from 12 different focus music stations, including lo-fi times and corner booth jazz. And you can take your mind from clutter to clear with a focused soundscape, or reset with a mindful walk. And to help you stay resilient during tough times, Headspace is here for you with the Weathering the Storm collection, including meditations for coping with sadness, anger, and adapting to change. And you can also release stress and tension through movement with Move Mode, mood boosting at home workouts, and 28-day mindful fitness courses led by expert trainers. And you can start your morning inspired with the Wake Up, a short daily video series designed to brighten your day, then decompress at bedtime with relaxing sleepcasts, dreamy soundscapes, and tranquil music from Sleep by Headspace. And just, in just a few minutes a day, Headspace can help bring balance to your everyday life. And so you have so many options from this app. So we can just, to download this app, you need to just tap Get if you didn't download it before, or tap Open. We'll just open it and I'll just show you from there. So as you can see, this is the home screen, and from there, today's mindful moment, you can check it out, and you can get Headspace Plus from here. And actually you can just see there the locked ones. To reach these ones, you need to just subscribe, but for basics you can just use it for free. So to get some idea about this app, you can just try these basics, and you can listen to these basics for mindfulness, and you can get some idea about the app this way. And you can just pick a narrator like male voice or female voice, so you can choose like that. Also about meditation, there are different options there. Today's meditation, you can try 3 sessions for free, and you can just explore courses, SOS, timers, techniques and support, and group meditation also. The other thing, sleep. I told you before, the sleepcast part in the sleep section were for free before. So I was just, as a free user, I was just using this part. But right now you have to just subscribe to just reach this content. And the other part, move, so you can just do workout from there. I think that's a good feature. And the other thing is focus. So from John Legend's playlist, you can just listen to focus music, and I think that's a good feature again. Soundscapes, focus exercises, focus music, so you have so many options. And what are the key features of this app? With this app you can just get hundreds of guided meditations on subjects like focus, exercise and sleep, and you can just sleep by Headspace to help you drift off. And with everyday Headspace you can get daily meditations on a new topic each day, and you can use the Wake Up to start your day mindfully, and with move mode workouts and mindful cardio you can just feel refreshed, and mindful moments to keep you present throughout the day, and 2 to 3 minute mini meditations for a quick mental reset. SOS sessions, you just saw it there on the app for moments of panic, anxiety and stress. And Headspace animations to teach you new skills and answer your mindfulness questions. And you can track your progress and time spent meditating. And you can add mindful minutes to Apple Health also. You can body up and add your friends to meditate with you. And guided meditations and mindfulness exercises for kids with sessions on kindness, calm and focus, so it's suitable for kids as well. And yeah, just like that, there are so many options there are so many features you can just benefit from. So that's a very good app. So with this one, the other thing, the pros and cons of this app. So what are the pros and cons of using this app? using Headspace. At first pros, it has approachable and effective introduction to mindfulness and meditation, and it is quick and easy to use, and it has a great selection of content. Daily reminders are great, and Headspace is developmental, so you learn something in each section. And also you saw the app here, the animations are engaging, and also it tracks your daily meditation happen to show your success. That's another feature. And what about cons? Intrinsic motivation requires self-discipline, and also it's a bit expensive, but it's worth it because there are so many things you can benefit from. Especially it has a great selection of content, so I think the price is worth it. So what are you thinking about this app? I mean, are you using it, or do you have any ideas, like do you have any suggestions like this app? And yeah, just let me know in the comments below. And I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and just the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.